Hello friends, this is Sai Fedendra from SQL School. I assure you complete step-by-step practice-oriented classes from scratch, right from the basics. This particular short session is about our data science training classes. A very useful and very cautious, careful learning methods from our SQLschool.com. Let's understand more details about this awesome, colorful course, data science. 100% practical, 100% real time, and job orientation part of this beautiful program. Wait. Let's get into the details. Data science is a technology that deals with data. It's all about data and big data and databases. It's all about SQL, analytics, and accurate decisions for a better tomorrow. Data science, a great technology, in fact a science by itself that involves R programming at experience level, statistical analysis, and artificial intelligence and machine learning. So starter, basic level, we have data, database, SQL, analytics, and AI-based decisions, part of our classes at the start level. Experience level comes programming, machine learning, deep learning, etc. So the data science includes, it's all about data, analytics, and decisions. So technically, the components involve SQL, Excel, Tableau, Power BI in our classes, and Python data structures, Python machine learning, and Python AI in our data science training classes. And further, we have the concept of Spark and PySpark. Main purpose of Spark and PySpark, once again, to deal with huge volumes of data. We have something called Spark clusters that we need to learn from in our classes from big data perspective, or programming, deep learning, statistical analysis, and generative AI. Now, how to become a data scientist? Step number 1, learn SQL, Power BI, followed by Python. This makes us ready for data analyst job roles. Yes, here it is. Let me go to our search and say data analyst certifications, official certifications from Microsoft. And you will see one particular certification from Microsoft specifically called Power BI Data Analyst Associate Certification. Based on this certification, the starting point for data scientists, based on this particular certification, back to our screen here, we need to step into SQL first, Power BI next, and Python. That is data analyst profile. Second level comes Tableau, Spark, and PySpark. This makes us ready for senior data analyst and business analyst job role. Of course, Excel is everywhere, okay? Excel is having its own priority, secret place, the secret ingredient in every technology you see on our screen. Be it SQL, we have Excel, Power BI, Excel, Python, Excel, Tableau, Excel, Spark, Excel. Everywhere we have Excel. That is the secret ingredient, the lubricant for our course. Step 3 comes Azure machine learning, or programming, and deep learning, statistical analysis, AI, and generative AI. Once again, remember, AI is also a secret ingredient part of our every activity throughout our course in this data science program. So the learning process or the learning plan on my screen. We are going to put our right leg into SQL first. Database concepts, SQL and MS SQL concepts. MS SQL also called t-sql we call. We'll take it from the scratch carefully, step by step anyway. No second thought. About 400, not about, minimum 400 queries we are going to learn in SQL. Each query is of its own separate style. Different kinds of SQL. Without any repetitions, we are going to take 400 queries of SQL first. We need it for our job work. Friends, one thing, there are two types of learning. One is academic level or academic orientation for our bachelor's degree, master's degree, or whatever. And other one, job orientation. Both are entirely different. Really, orientation is entirely different. One can be at the book level, the first one, the academic one, but the second one should be at the implementation level. There are a lot of differences right from the definition of database. Trust me, we'll take it from scratch, and I'm here to guide you further. Next, after we take the yellow box SQL, then next step, yes, we need to step into Power BI, an iconic, analytical, colorful environment from big data analytics requirements. Then comes Power BI with AI. That's how we need to learn step by step. Once again, remember, everywhere we have Excel. Everywhere. For example, you take SQL in our classes. With respect to SQL in our classes, I said everywhere we have Excel, right? This is how it is. For example, we'll take Excel imports first. We'll take Excel imports, enjoy queries, and then we are going to have Excel analytics. We'll start with SQL and with Excel. From there, the need for Power BI, the need for Python, and so on. We'll make it meaningful. We'll make it useful for you. I want you to thank me from your job desk. And after Python, say after Power BI, we go for Python. We have Python programming, Python analytics, both part of this beautiful course, almost a 1.5 month course. Then comes Tableau and AI, Spark, PySpark and AI, artificial intelligence, part of our classes. And after that, here is the complete plan for our classes. Level 1, applicable for starters and new to data science. We have total 6 interesting modules, lucrative training, step-by-step practice orientation with everyday task items. You may join in sequence or in parallel, but we always suggest you go for SQL database concepts to start with first. After SQL, you can do Power BI, Python in parallel, or you can do in sequence as per your available time, job options, and other priorities, your wish. As on date, we have schedules only for level 1 to make it specific and straight. All modules, 6 modules here, they go with new batches every week or every alternate week or every 3rd week in general. SQL Power BI almost every week. Python, Tableau, Excel every alternate week will be having new batches. Spark and PySpark every 3 weeks will be having a new batch for sure. As on date, modules 7, 8, 9 are programming, machine learning, and deep learning. We do not have any schedules. Just make it straight and specific, right? So module 1 to 6, level 1, we are there to guide you if you are looking for it. Applicable for starters and new to data science, a 5-month journey, 5 to 6 months almost for project work and all. Later you have time, you may always opt to invest another 4 to 5 months for project work and all for these level 2 entities if required. Once again, we assure you complete practice orientation from scratch, right from the basics. Thank you so much and see you soon in our next class, the live demo class for data science. Thank you and see you soon. Have a nice time. Take care. Thank you so much.